I'm super excited to introduce this project this week. This project is called the SPPS Public Math Installations Project. And basically what it's going to be is you're going to be creating a math pattern or something interactive with math for people in your life to interact with. I'm going to go more in detail about what that's going to look like this week. But for now, I want to show you what those steps are going to look like that you're going to get to do throughout the project. Yikes! Too many pages. Step 1 of your project is to brainstorm some ideas. That means that you should be either thinking in your head or making a list of materials that you might need for the project and some project ideas. Step 2 is when you look around your house for things that might be useful. For instance, all of these spices might be a nice thing to use since they're all the same. You also could create something using these onions, bananas, and oranges. Step 3 is to try and put it in a place where a lot of people can see it and interact with it. So where do you see the rocks growing each time?
I see one rock growing this way and one rock growing the other way.
You can also interact using social distancing. Hi, Grace.
Hello.
What do you notice about this pattern?
Yeah, so I noticed that, each side of that L-looking shape increases by one rock each time.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
The last step of your project is going to be reflecting on what you made. You can do that either in your notebook, in your mind, or for us, we're going to be doing a lot of reflecting on Schoology. The main goal for this project is for you to have fun outside with your family and with math. We hope that you have a really fun time interacting with math in this project, and we're really excited for the rest of the year.